you love most in the world?
Every second I'm with you, I feel like I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. From this day forward, I vow to try my best to match your level of compassion and love that you show on a daily basis. I vow to be whatever you need me to be to get you through the bad times in life. I vow to try to make you laugh every single day, and if I don't succeed, I vow to kiss you instead. Lastly, I vow to never take your amazing self for granted. I choose you, and I'll love you forever. I love you.
Matt would like to welcome you to our family. You've kind of grown on us a little bit. Like told the lady to touch up. It's all right. Too late to get a refund. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy, drink up, party, have fun. We're here to celebrate you too, and everybody here loves you. So, thank you.
Matt, you stole my heart many years ago, and I couldn't imagine spending my life with anyone else. Your generous nature, your kind heart, and your 12-year-old boy sense of humor have all made it incredibly easy to love you. You are my once-in-a-lifetime love, and today I choose you, and I will choose you tomorrow, and I will continue to choose you every day for the rest of our lives. I love you.